guys, it's Taylor and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on my post notifications so that you guys know of whenever I upload. Today's video is going to be an easy 5-minute foundation routine that I do when I'm on the go or I'm rushing to get out of the door and head somewhere. This foundation routine literally takes 5 minutes or less. Like, when you guys see how I do this routine, it's so easy, super simple, super quick. Anybody can do it, whether you're running late, you only have like 5 minutes so you get out the door, you got 20 minutes to spare before you have to go, honey. This is the foundation routine for you. If you guys want to see how I got this sleek foundation routine look, then please keep on watching. I know I do have a shirt on, it's just a tube top, so mind your business. Point blank in the period. Don't act like I don't got a shirt on, because I do. I've already moisturized, washed my face and all of that stuff. Now I'm going to be priming my face for my makeup. So first I like to take the MAC oil control lotion. I just, you know, shake it up a bit, put a little bit. That was definitely a little bit. Ooh, that was a little too much, but I just put like about that much, but I normally put less than this because I don't need that much. And I just put it on my entire face. I feel like this gives me a smooth, even layer to work with as far as a base goes. Next, I like to go in with my Too Faced Sweet Peach Primer. I absolutely love this freaking primer. I like to take it and warm it up with my fingers first. So I just do like this on the back of my hand and before applying it. And then I like to just apply it into the center of my face. Okay, so next I like to use concealer actually as my foundation. So the one that I've been loving is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser Dark Circle Concealer. I mean, everybody knows what this concealer looks like. And I use the shade Tan. And side note, my little sponge fell off. So I'm just using it like this. This is so bootleg, but like, mind your business, okay? When I get a new one is when it'll have the sponge, but until then we living without the sponge. But I just put this on my face. I'm just gonna blend that out. Y'all, this is literally a 5-minute foundation routine all in one. So you see how well you guys see how well that concealer covers? Yep, that's why I use it. I like to start on the sides of my face and then work my way to the middle when applying my foundation. I don't know why, I just feel like it gives me the best coverage. I don't like to put a lot of foundation on my forehead, so this is probably about it for what I'm gonna do for the forehead area. Concealer is applied and you guys can see my face is looking very full coverage even with that little bit amount of concealer that I put on, because it's just super easy, quick to do, and then boom, you're done. For concealer underneath of my eyes, I actually use the same Maybelline concealer because it's time efficient. It doesn't take up too much time. I don't have to go and rummage through my makeup for my brightening concealer. I just apply that, blend it out, set it, and go. I like to use a brush. This is the Real Techniques Expert Concealer Brush, and I just take it and I spread it out underneath of my eye at first, so it's just not in that little dot, and then I go and I go in afterwards with my sponge and blend the rest of that out. Before I blend that out, I like to have my powder already ready. I use the ColourPop No Filter setting powder in the shade Banana. I absolutely freaking love this stuff. Like, I like to set using one of these little sponges that you can get in a pack from Walmart. I just feel like it sets my makeup the best. Alright, so concealer's blended. We go in and instantly set with the powder. And I'm looking down because my mirror is right here, so that's why. Concealer's set on this eye, so we're gonna work our way to this eye. Alright, so concealer's set. Now we're gonna set the rest of our face, and I used the same banana powder to set my entire face because of course it saves more time. And like, when you're in a time crunch, you don't got all this time to be pulling out a bunch of products, honey. Back, my face is set. I also went ahead and filled in my brows. Now when I'm in a time crunch and I don't have time to, you know, like fill in my brows with pomade, clean it up with concealer and stuff, I do like to resort to using a powder to fill in my brows. And this is actually an eyeshadow palette. This This is the Maybelline Nudes palette. This is so old, but I literally only use this black shade right here, and I just use this to quickly fill in my brows, spoolie them out, and then I am done. We need to contour our face, so I'm going to be using the BH Cosmetics Studio Pro Contour Palette, and I use these two shades, this orange shade and then this more dark brown shade, not dark brown, but this more browner shade, and I just use those to contour my face. Since the concealer is a bit light, I do like to contour my face with the orange and the brown shade to bring some warmth back into my face. And boom, our contour is done. I just like to go over top of that with a big fluffy brush just to make sure everything is blended out. Skirt, skirt. No. Alright guys, so that is all for this video. I hope you guys really liked it and enjoyed it. If you did, let me know by giving it a thumbs up and commenting down below. If you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe and turn on my post notifications so that you guys know of whenever I upload, and so that you don't miss my beautiful face in your subscription boxes. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.